Tonight we continue our coverage of the pandemic, where just around 45% of Fresno County's 16 and older population is now vaccinated with at least one dose. In order to increase that number, some vaccine providers are taking a new approach. Our Jocelyn Moran joining us live now with how their strategies are changing. Jocelyn, good evening.
Good evening. That's right. While the demand has been decreasing throughout the county, the UCSF Fresno vaccination site is going to be altering its strategies. It's going to be extending its hours and finding ways to make the vaccine more accessible.
While the numbers are trending down, what we're going to do is we're going to be extending hours. So we're going to be starting to look at how can we staff it longer so people can come after work, before work, weekends. So it's all about accessibility.
While there wasn't much of a line at the UCSF Fresno vaccination site at Fresno City College around noon today, Dr. Kenny Bond says they're going to be doing more to make it easier for people to access the vaccine. He says putting more of an emphasis on mobile events and extending hours will help reach those who work long hours and lack transportation.
We're going to start working on Sunday events. So now that churches are in session, we're going to start working with communities and churches and see if we can start going to them, and while they're having in-person services, we can have a vaccine event at the same time so you can get vaccinated before or after you come out of services. According
to the county's most recent data, around 34% of the county's population has been vaccinated with at least one dose, and 45% of the 16 and older population in the county has been vaccinated with at least one dose. Joe Prado with the Fresno County Department of Public Health says they knew demand would begin to decrease, but they didn't expect it to happen this quickly.
Our plans that we had for May, we're just moving them quicker into place, and that is really doing smaller mobile clinics in very targeted areas.
While more focus is going to be put on mobile clinics, Dr. Bond says the UCSF Fresno vaccination site at Fresno City College will continue to be there on a first-come, first-served basis.
We can still capture a large number of people that if we can make it more easily accessible to those. So our plan is that we will keep this open for as long as it serves its purpose, which I think it will be necessary for the next couple months.
And Dr. Kenny Bond saying that for people who are unsure, still don't know if they want to get the vaccine yet and have questions, they can go down to the UCSF Fresno vaccination site at Fresno City College, and there are professionals there to answer your questions. Live in Fresno, Jocelyn Moran, KC24, local news that matters.